Hello there. In this video, I will give you a quick walkthrough on how to log in and explore the community dashboard in Airmeet. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and type in airmeet.com, which will lead you to this Airmeet website. Now, click on Host Login. And here you will find many options on how to log into your account. First is with the email address. Second is with the different social media accounts such as Google, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can also use your SSO sign-in authentication if you have any. After the login, you will be led inside your community dashboard. On the top left, you have Airmeet logo and name, which you can also find in event dashboards. From here, if you'll click on this, you will be led back to this community dashboard. And below that, you have your community logo and your community name. And below it, you will see the role of the person who has logged in. That is, if the person is the community manager or the event manager and such. You can also click on this play icon to change between various communities or organization. Now, if you come on the top right, you have this 24/7 support. If you click on it, you will be led to the 24/7 support lounge, wherein our executives will help you with your queries. Let's say you are stuck inside this dashboard and want to have more knowledge about the platform. In that case, you can click on this question mark icon to visit our knowledge base articles. If you want to know what is new and exciting in Airmeet, you can click on this gift icon and view all the new updates. And lastly, if you click on the arrow besides your profile, you can click on My Profile. And from here, you can click on Edit and re-edit your information or even change your image. Or you can also change your password by clicking on Change Password. Below here, you will also find all the events that you have created. Coming back to the same arrow icon, second one is the dashboard, which will lead you back to this community dashboard. Third one is the theme of the dashboard. If I want to change the theme of my community dashboard, then I can simply toggle this button on. And there, now my dashboard has been changed to the light theme. You can toggle this on and off anytime you want to do so. Now, coming on to the left panels, first one is the events. Under the events, you will find all the events that you have created till now. You can also search for a particular event by typing in the name of the event. You can also use this filter such as all events, upcoming events, ongoing events, events that are paused, and completed. In case of completed events, you can view the event details or preview the event. You can also click on the three dot icon to copy the event link if required or duplicate the event. And lastly, you can also archive this ended event. And from this section itself, you can also create a new event by clicking on this Create Event button. Coming on to the Content Hub, which is in beta, you can find this on the paid accounts. Content Hub is the repository of contents used in the website format for the attendees to access and view the contents inside the event. In here, you will find all the content hubs that you have created. You can also find the content hub by the name or by the filters. To create a new content hub, click on Create Hub. Plug in the content hub name. You can also plug in the description as per your requirement. Please note that there are certain character limits on this. Now, if you want to import contents from your event, simply click on here and find the event from which you want to import the content. Select the event and click on Save. Now, click on Create Hub to create new content hub. You can click on Edit Hub to edit your content hub from here. You can click on Customize Site and set up your content hub as per the requirement. Once done, you can click on Preview to preview it or click on Publish to publish it. Coming on to the video library. Video library is the repository of all the videos that you have used inside your events of this particular community. On the left, you have all the videos that you have used, and on the right, you have all the session recordings. And if in case you want to upload a new video, then you can click on this upload video and you can drag and drop your files out here, or you can also click on click to upload and upload from your computer. Coming on to the team members. Here you will find all the team members, number of active members, and the total limit of team members. As you can see, the team members have different tags. That is owner, admin, and manager. The owner is the one who has created this account or the community, and others are the team members that has been added by the owner. You can also change the roles of the owner by clicking on Change Role and select the role that you want to assign to that particular team member. Each role has different set of permissions inside the community dashboard. Once the role is selected, click on Save to move forward. The team members can also be removed by clicking on this remove icon. To add more team members, simply click on add team member, enter the first name, last name, and the email address of the team member and the role that you want to assign to that team member, and then click on send invitation. Once the invited member accepts the invitation, they will be led inside this members section. If you want to buy more member seats, then you can click on buy more seats. The second one is permission settings. You can set up what kind of permissions you want to give to the manager and executives by clicking on the edit button. And from here, you can set up different sets of permissions and roles for the manager or executive. Coming on to integrations. In Airmeet, you can use many integrations. You can also find the integrations by the filters given out here. If you want to use the advertising integrations, then you can click on advertising and find all the integrations available in Airmeet for advertising. You can also use more than one filter and find all the integrations for this particular action. You can also type in the name of the integration and search it by name. You can also propose a product or request a product if you have any for the integration. Coming on to live stream destinations. If you want to stream the Airmeet live sessions to third parties, then you can set up the destinations from here. The first one is Facebook. You can find the Facebook page, a profile, integrate with it, and stream the Airmeet live session to those pages. You can also do same for the YouTube channel. And lastly, using the custom RTMP, you can either stream into Airmeet or stream out of Airmeet to third parties using this setup. Coming on to API access keys. From this section, you can generate new API keys by clicking on generate new key. And you can label the key based on the integration tool that you are using and click on generate. And the access key will be generated for you. Coming on to billing plans. Here you will find the plan that you are currently in. If you want to change a plan, you can simply click on request plan change. You can also compare your plan with other plans by clicking on compare plans. Or if you just want to have extra team members or add attendee bundle, then you can click on contact us to get in touch with the sales team. Or if you're having any issues with your billing, then you can click on contact support to contact our executives who will help you with your queries. Coming on to analytics. Under the analytics, we have the audience section, which is in beta phase. And inside the audience, you have users, where you will find all the users who have registered to your events inside this community and their email address. If you want to add more column, then you can simply click on add column and find the type of information that you want to add out here. Let's say registration details, and select the type of devices that they are using. And there we have more information on this section. You can add more columns by clicking on add column. You can also download these attendee details by clicking on download, or use the filters, let's say time spent, and apply. Now here is a list of all the attendees that I found using these filters. I can also save this filter as a segment. Give your segment a name and click on save. You can go back to users in this page or click on view segments, which is the next part we were going to. The time segment that we just saw is the segment or the filter that we use for time to find the attendees as per that time. Click on view segment and you will find all the details of the segment. You can either add more columns to the segment or download all the attendees inside this segment. Well, that's all about the community dashboard. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.